I hope you're doing well. It's me, Mila Rose, and I'm back, and we are going to do a sinking funds reassessment for 2022. And I'm just gonna be very honest with you all. I don't want to do this. I have a lot of adjustments that need to happen. I was going to do a sinking funds unstuffing, but honestly, I kind of don't see the point in some of that. I know that I'm going to be keeping the majority of these will stay the same. I do want to increase Thanksgiving. I want to increase Thanksgiving. I want to increase New Year's, which is what this sticky note is for. I want to change fall and summer and winter to $4 a month. I want to increase from 12 to 16 total. Okay, that's the increase of what that will be. Then I need to add Canva back in there because guess who actually ended up using their Canva? Me, since I actually decided I was going to do videos like for real. So I'm just really kind of honestly a little annoyed by that. So I need to go in and reassess some things. And I even need to take a look at, because honestly I need to take some out of my planner if I even have enough, because I had to go and print out pages for the calendar. And actually I have, oh my goodness. Y'all, this is just such a mess. Okay. All right, sinking funds. First things first. I need to reassess. Let's look at what sinking funds we have. Right? Okay. Let's do that. Let's get some order here. Order. Let's get some order here. Okay. So I have a list somewhere of sinking funds. I have this messy madness of a list. Okay. So we have a new messy mad list 2022 that I was planning. So we have parents' anniversary, mom's speed day, dad's speed days, mom/dad day, and sister's birthday. Okay. So those are $3, $3, and $3. Gives us a total of $15. That's staying the same. I'm perfectly fine with that. We have holidays. Okay. We have Juneteenth /4th of July. And we are doing $2 for those. We have Thanksgiving, which I want to keep at $15. I think that's perfect. We have Christmas. Now, I was doing 20. I'm thinking I want to do, if I do 25 a month, let me see. Calculator. Okay. If I do 25 times 12, that gives me $300. Let me think. That gives me, I probably need to spend 30 times 4 is 120 plus 100 for gas, 220, and that leaves 80 for leftover. I think that'll be fine. So let's try that. And hopefully that's enough. So that's going up by $5. And then New Year's, I'm going to actually increase to $10 a month, which is going to throw off basically all of my savings that I've done for New Year's so far. So this is then changing, and I'm going to go ahead and add up here, spring, summer, fall, and winter. And these are going to be $4 a piece now. So this is what we're looking at for this section. 2 plus 15 plus 25 plus 10 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, 4 plus 4. So we're looking at 68 total for this section. Then we have just my I don't even know what to call this, but this is what we have. So we have tech gets $10. Planner gets $5. I'm fine with that. Phone gets $10. I'm fine with that. Miscellaneous. In fact, because I think everything else is fine except for I have to add Canva back. Gets $5. Health gets $5. Canva needs to come back. Getting, because I think that it ends up being 119, so 120 divided by 12. So it's $10, yeah. So we need $10 for Canva. We have, goodness, this is a mess. Let's see, who else is left? Metro gets 5. And we want to have 60 total. That's what we're working for. Garden gets 10. I thought Garden got way more than that. But okay. HOA gets 34. Hair gets 60. And taxes gets 25. Okie dokie. So that's what we're dealing with on this one. Let's get the total for this. 10 plus 5 plus 10 plus 5. Oh my goodness. I want to look at, so I don't have sinking funds for these, but I do want to make envelopes, like just additional payments, I guess, extra money. Whew, I don't know. I don't know where I want to put these. I guess I won't put it here because it doesn't come out of this bank. But I do also have, I want that to come out of not sinking funds. I want it to come out of when I have additional money. So at least I think that's how I want it to be, because I want to buy some rollerblades and I want to buy, there was one other thing. It was rollerblades and I think it's just, let me check because I think I have the money sitting over here. So I think I'm going to use, yeah, I think it's just rollerblades that need to go on the list. Yeah, it's just rollerblades. So I really want to add a sinking fund for that. Maybe I could put 5 there. Okay, let's and I think the total needs to be like 350, honestly. That's usually what I feel like I'm seeing. Okay. Haha, that was a setup to make sure I don't show you all what my pin is. Okay. All right, let's see. So we get 10, 5, 10, 5, plus 5 for health. 10, 5, 10, 5, 5. Great. Okay. Plus 10, plus 5, plus 10, plus, okay, 34, plus 60, plus 25, plus 5. I also noticed I don't, I guess that should go into the budget. So 184. All right, so this is what we're looking at. So we're looking at 15 plus 68 plus 184. So we're looking at 200 total. 267. Okay. So for new budgets, let me go ahead and change in here so that I remember that new budgets need to have sinking funds of 267. Okay. Then we need to, so we can get rid of this. I will set this to a side so I don't accidentally lose it. I need to update this sheet, and then I think I have enough spaces for everything. Hopefully. We'll see, I guess. Okay. I didn't add anything here, and I added one Health, Hair, Texas Metro. Garden is on there already. HOA would be an additional one, but I don't really feel like I need to track HOA. I don't feel like I need to track hair either, honestly. Or taxes. Rollerblades should go on there. Anyways, okay. So I need to make, let's put a sticky. Let's get a new sticky because this is done. We did all that. Great. I need to make an envelope for, I have HOA correct? Let's check and see. Okay. HOA, yes, perfect. Okay, so the only one I think I would need to do is I need to make one for Canva. Make envelopes for Canva and rollerblades. Okay, so we'll set that to the side. We'll throw this one away. All right, so here's what else I need to look at. So this is going to stay at, I want to get, parents' anniversary is going to be, what is that, like 36? Yeah, 36, 36, 36, 36, which actually gets split in half, so that's going to actually be $18 each. Okay, and then 36. Then we have it's a total of 24s, 12 each. We have 50 times 12, 180 total. 300 total, 120 for, 48 total, 48 total, 48, 48. And then we have, Tech doesn't have one, it's just ever-growing. Planner doesn't have one, Phone doesn't have one, Miscellaneous doesn't have one, Health doesn't have one. Canva does. Canva needs to equal 120. Garden doesn't have a total. HOA does. It has to equal 200 every 6 months. Hair needs to equal 180 every 3 months, I think. Taxes doesn't have a total. Rollerblades needs to be 350. So these are the ones that I know I need to get this much by the time I meet my goal. Okay. So here's where I want to go in. These all stayed the same, so that's fine. This stayed the same. Thanksgiving is building, so I think it'll be fine. Christmas, we're just getting started on that one, so I think it'll be fine. Technically though, let me check on Thanksgiving, because Thanksgiving should have, to be right on target, it should have 30. Perfect, yeah, that's 35. Okay, good. Because it should have November and December already done, and then we'll start over Christmas. Christmas is actually empty. I ended up using all of its money, so whoop whoop there. New Year's. we're just gonna have to leave New Year's for how it is. And what we will do is I will honestly go in and remove these and just probably use those for this year. So this will be, I'll have 25 to start for 2021, and then we'll start working on 2022 with this next one. So I'll just go ahead and stick that in there. So we'll see how 2021 goes. I'll leave that in there, because this will pay for, I don't know if I'm really doing much. Maybe I gotta go get some drinks, I think, is what I'm gonna end up spending that on. And then we'll see from there. So, okay. I feel better about New Year's now. Don't have anything for those. Canva, we're gonna have to restart. 60 total for Metro. Let's see how Metro's doing. Just want to make sure everything's okay. Just slowly adding up on this one. 20, 40. Oh, 20 for Metro? Was it 60 total? Or was it supposed to be 120? I think it's supposed to be 120. Sorry. Okay, 120, because I was like, oh, we've already passed that. Okay, so 20, 40, 60, 65, 70. So we're making our way there. Okay, cool. And then we'll stop. Texas doesn't have one. HOA should be fine. Hair is fine, because I'm already over that one. And then I have the start for rollerblades. Okay, well, then that's everything. So I'm gonna actually just leave that be. Okay. Well, that's it then. We have reassessed our sinking funds for 2022. I feel much better now. So we're ready to go. Woo! Here we go. 2022. Well, thanks for watching, y'all. This actually was not as stressful as I thought it was going to be. It was not horrible or terrible. So we'll go from there. And thanks for watching. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And I'll see y'all later. Have a good one. Bye.